ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Licking County until 11:30 p.m. At 11:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Utica to Martin to 8 miles east of Thornport, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newark, Hanover, Martin, St. Louisville, Gratiot, Toboso, Fallsburg, Brownsville, and Purity. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 137 and 142 and near mile marker 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including